Hey there, this is Jorge Fuentes from the Sidekick Strategies and Hub Heroes team, and today we're gonna take a look at how to create our first CTA inside of HubSpot that is an embedded button, and also we're gonna check an example of how we can use it within our own emails. Check it out. So once we're inside HubSpot, we're gonna go to our left side bar right here, and we're gonna scroll all the way down to where it says marketing, and then let's go to CTAs. Now once we're inside CTAs, we're gonna click on create a CTA, and I'm just gonna choose to set it up myself here. And then I'm gonna, on the left hand side, you see where it says templates, I'm gonna actually select to start from scratch, and in here is where I'm gonna actually choose an embedded button. Now once I click on that one, I'm gonna call this a just CTA1 for now, CTA1. And then this particular button, I wanna make it go to perhaps a phone number, and then I'm just gonna type in a very random number. Let's go with yep, something like that. Yeah, let's make sure it's 10 digits. 4 plus 4, there we go, plus 2, there we go. And then here I'll just put something like call us. Right now we definitely can switch it up a little bit, but this is just what we'll use as a button click. So now I'm just gonna save and apply, and now that's about pretty much everything we want in this case. I'll just go to the styles tab, and maybe for the text I'm just gonna make it bold like that, and perhaps I want the width of this particular CTA to just be at about 100. Let's do that. Well, actually maybe 150 will do. Perfect, there we go. And now as for the options, I want to be able to track clicks through redirect, so that's actually one thing that we want to make sure that we're tracking, the clicks. And then if I want to, I can select a campaign. If not, I'll just leave it as is. For this particular session, I'm just going to leave it as is, and then we'll actually rename it as CTA call us, right? And there we go. Let's now review and publish, and now I'm just going to publish it now. And then I'm gonna click on done. Now the thing that we can definitely do with this particular CTA, and let me actually go back in here, is that we can now add it to emails and forms. So now we're golden in order to add that particular CTA, and I'm just gonna quickly show you. For example, if we go to an email, right, and we grab maybe an email that is already created. So let's click on this new email, right? If in this email I wanted to include maybe at the bottom a button that says call us and leads to a phone number, I could grab this button module right here and add it in, right? And I could definitely do the same process here, but the advantage that we have with the CTA is that we're going to be able to track the clicks and performance of that particular button. So I'm actually going to not choose the URL or the text or edit anything, but in this case I'm just going to click on link to, and I'm going to go to the top and select CTA, and in this CTA field I'm going to select the CTA that I have crafted. So call us right here, insert, and that's it. And I'm just gonna click on done, and my email is now ready to go. If I review and send it, or if I schedule it, the recipients will be able to click on that particular button. And there you have it. That's as much as you need to do. Now you're ready to send out that email with that specific CTA button applied, and you'll also be able to check on your HubSpot portal who clicks on it, and also any performance metrics that may be relevant to you via that particular CTA button. Remember, education is great, but the execution is where it's at, so go out there and be the hub hero that your organization needs today.